guys, so we're jumping right into Ever After High, and as maybe you can guess, I am changing into Lizzy Hearts, off with their heads. And yeah, it was so much fun, but I am scared of red because we know it can stain the eyes and all that. But it was so much fun. It really just sparks the creative mojo. And just have a black wig, maybe you have some, maybe some red extensions you can put in. I don't, so let's just imagine I have red highlights and all that, and just a little crown, and then that's that. So if you want to see how I do this Lizzy Hearts look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, let's get to it. Anyone else who just feel like they have gunk in their eyes since they got up? Just feel like they don't want to leave my eyes or my lashes. Anyway, let's start out with the primer, the Maybelline Master Prime. It is so good. All of that. And yes, as you can see, I'm wearing fake nails. My own nails are a little bit, what can you say? They're teasing me. So I'm giving them a little break with fake nails. In my concealer, this is the full coverage concealer in green by NYX. I love this because I have a little friend here and it's not an hormonal one. This is caused by filthy brushes. We know they can have that. Now this one down here, that's hormonal. But I'm actually over that time of the month, so yeah, sometimes my pimples, they just want to come. My hormonal acne, it wants to come by the end of it. Weird. I'm taking this concealer. This is the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser in Ivory. I am loving this concealer, and it smells like skincare. It's called Eraser here in Denmark, and I think also in Europe. And then it's an age rewind in the States, maybe also in the UK. It's the same anyway. I'm just going to blend that concealer out. I'm using the Beauty Cosmetics foundation brush. Oh, and for the green concealer I use the Deluxe Crease brush by Real Techniques. And for foundation, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution First Base Stick Foundation in F1. It's just divine. Like that. Taking my bobbing brush and starting out with the neck, because if I don't start here with this, I'm wearing this shirt blouse, the foundation just will transfer onto the collar, and I don't like that. I'm just gonna blend. Now for powder, I'm taking the e.l.f. High Definition powder in sheer. I'm just gonna have some in my lid here. And I'm taking my powder brush. By using this, I'm just gonna set my base now. Now I'm just gonna do my brows off camera. I'm taking the BH Cosmetics 88 matte eyeshadow palette. I'm taking this dark brown instead of black because, yeah, Lizzy Hearts brows, they are very dark and I don't want to make them black. So I'm taking the dark brown instead, and I'm using my brow brush for this, the Real Techniques, and then I'm setting them with the NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel. So I'll be right back. Sorry guys, I completely forgot to turn on my camera. I just put on a transition color, this one from the BH Cosmetics 88 matte palette. I'm using both palettes, and I used my crease brush just through my crease, feathering it out, and also on my lower lash line. Bam! Like that. Using the same brush, I am taking this color right here. It's a red one. It's just, I just need it to go through my crease. Like that. Not too much of it. Like this. After all, Lizzy Hearts have a red eye look on. She's just red, red, red. She is the daughter of the Queen of Hearts, so we need that. I'm taking the shading brush by Real Techniques and I'm taking this deep red. I'm applying that to my lid. Nice deep red. Now we have to be careful with the reds because they can transfer. Just leave it. Yeah, leave it. Yeah, when we take off our makeup, they can leave a stain. So we have to be careful. And my eyes has just decided to get watery. Ugh. Just my luck. Now I did mention we were also going to use the shimmer palette. I'm taking this shimmer red is actually the same like I did in the matte one because I want a little bit of shimmer as well. Just in the middle of the eye. Maybe it won't be as visible, but we know it's there. Here in the mirror I can see it. It's a little bit hard with the light right now because it's snowing outside and I have my lights on, so you can't. So it's getting a little bit washed out. Getting a fake light from outside, and I have a mix of artificial light and real light. I can see the shimmer there. And for a highlight, I am taking the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Cottage Cheese. Now this will become a little bit pinkish once I blend it out, but that's okay because it looks like that on Lizzy's brow bone. There's a little bit pinkish, and also in a corner. Now let's go over to the left eye. I'm just gonna map the heart out because we have to include the brow. So I'm taking the Pixel Point eyeliner brush by Real Techniques, and I'm taking the same top color as I did in the beginning, which you didn't see. My bad. Because we just need an outline. Let's see. My heart. Like that. Now we have an outline. Now we can see it. I'm taking the base shadow brush by Real Techniques and I'm taking this red up here. I'm just going to apply it inside the outline. I'm also going to apply it to my lid, so actually I need something vital. Taking the primer, obviously, just to prime the lid. And then we just continue on. And there we have a heart. I'm just going to deepen my crease a little bit. Take my crease brush, and I am taking that color that I used for my as a top from my crease color over here. Just deepen a little bit. I'm taking my blending brush because I completely forgot to blend over here. Noob mistake. And then I'm also blending over here. Now moving on to eyeliner, I'm taking my NYX matte liquid liner and lining my top lash line, winging it out a bit. For my inner rims, I'm applying the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean. Then I'm curling my lashes and applying the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. And then it's up to yourself if you want to wear fake lashes. So I'll be right back. Now I'll move on to the rest of the face. I'm taking my NYX blush and taupe and my contour brush. I have a contour, and we have a little bit to contour here. We're just going over the heart. For blush, I'm going over to my Special Occasion palette, also by BH Cosmetics, because this is the closest blush I could find to the blush that Lizzy is wearing. There's a little bit of a concentrated amount on the apple of the cheek. And now, highlight, I'm taking the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in Ice Cold because, hello! Lizzy is from Wonderland, or as we know it, Underland. We need a little bit of a highlight right there. And then we can, love it. Bit on the tip of the nose bridge, and cute as well. Now for lips, I'm taking my lip liner by Gosh in, what is it, Simply Red. I'm lining my lips. And then for lipstick, I'm taking the Gosh lipstick in Lady Luck. It's gorgeous. Finishing touch, I'm taking the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray in Rose. So let's do this. And now we're done with Lizzy Hearts. I just popped on my black wig, and then just imagine that there's also some red highlights in the hair. And I had a little hair accessory here, and it's just a little crown. I know it's crooked, but anyway. This was so much fun. This red color with this one I had never used before, so, and I'm a little scared of red because we all know it can stain the eye and all that, but if you just take it off thoroughly then afterwards, then I think it's gonna be good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial of me changing into Lizzy Hearts. So remember to subscribe, comment, and like this video if you liked it. It really helps me a lot. Then you can follow me on all my social medias, and you can check out my blog, and then I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye!